The problem with digital grain in Final Cut Pro is that it often looks fake. This is because it fries in the shadows, where real film should be clean and deep. Film grain isn't just noise, it's a texture that reacts to light. If your grain is frying in the dark areas, your video will scream digital from a mile away. Today, I'll show you how to achieve an organic roll-off using only native Final Cut Pro tools. To maintain total control over refining the look, we'll use an adjustment layer over our color-graded edit. This way, we separate the texture from the original grading. Go to your effects, search for Add Noise, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. In the video inspector, check the monochrome box, choose Overlay or Soft Light for a finer grain, and select Gaussian Noise Film Grain as the type. Now, adjust the amount and opacity to get the look you want. I've chosen 0.55 and 85% respectively. Then add some Gaussian blur, very slightly, just a 0.5 of amount. You'll notice the problem right away. The dark areas have lost depth and look dirty. Let's fix it immediately. Next to the effect name, click the mask icon and select Add Color Mask. Grab the eyedropper and sample a midtone or a highlight. Don't worry if the grain seems to disappear. We just need to adjust the range. Expand the mask menu and go to the Luma bar under the HSL section. Spread the right sliders to include all the highlights. Then take the left slider, the one for the shadows, and drag it toward the center until the blacks in the viewer become solid. Use the top handles to soften the transition. This is what creates that natural film roll-off. Now the grain is present in the highlights and midtones, while the shadows stay clean and deep. Your original contrast remains intact because we've applied the mask to the light, not the color. This is the power of knowing your tools inside out. If you want more workflows tips, check out some other video on my channel and consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.